Welcome back. So let's refresh this page and we should see, oh, okay. So I need to click on this and then now we are going to delete HTML elements. Let's refresh this page. It is commented. Now we're ready to delete HTML elements. Alright, so I hope you are understanding so far. We've done a whole bunch of different things right now, and now we have our app again. Let's remove this, and you see that on this side of the window, it's gone, and we'll just put everything back so that we see everything. Okay, so now our phone does not have much vertical space. So our phone basically, this is what we're looking at the mobile phone, for example, right? In the next little while, we're going to make it look like a mobile phone. Right now, it's just text because this is just HTML. There's no CSS. CSS can do many beautiful, wonderful things, as you'll see later on in this series of classes. Okay, so let's remove the unnecessary elements so that we can start building our cat photo app. Delete your H1 elements so that we can simplify our view. So just I don't know, just removing this. Is that what you want? Delete your H1 element, leave your H2 element on the page, leave your P element on the page. I think that's basically it. So there's nothing much to look at. There's nothing to read in the MDN. Basically, it's just deleting text, right? Let's just refresh this page and just deleting text, which we are going to just remove. Let's go back and just remove, just delete, just highlight it, delete it, and that's it, I believe. Let's run the test. Are you ready? Alright, so I'm just going to close this, make sure that, yep, okay. Let's run the test, and then it should pass. They're in another castle, alluding to Mario and the Princess Peach. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next video where we are going to introduce HTML elements. Alright, see you soon.